What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I thought I would make a video on why CPA training on YouTube, for the most part, just flat out sucks, right? So if you found this video, you probably was looking for some CPA training, or part of the following that knows that I've been doing CPA marketing for years. And it's just like you look on YouTube and all you see is 90% garbage. Like there obviously are some good videos, but 99%, well, I shouldn't say that high, but let's just say 90% of the training that you see over here on YouTube for CPA marketing is just normally just straight up trash, right? It's always normally some whiteboard, or it's, a notepad, or it's, something where people just talk about stuff. Like they never really actually show you anything. It's a lot of theory talk. Like this could work. Like it sounds like it could make you money, but they never actually show you them actually making money. It's always, oh, well, this could make you $100 a day. This could make you $100,000 a month. This could do this. This could do that. But they never actually do it or show you that they have done it. And most of these people have not. And the reason, why a lot of training on YouTube just flat out sucks is because it's not designed for you to actually make money, Or if it is designed for you to make money, it's something that's been out for years, that everybody, is doing or whatnot. So most people will not make any money doing it, but they don't care because the end goal for them is to get as many people doing it so they can get, a percentage. So for example, let's say you got somebody over here on YouTube and they make a YouTube video, right? Then they say, hey, go join Trash Bounty, aka Max Bounty or whatnot, right? So you go and sign up underneath them. They get 5% or whatever it is, for like an entire year of everything that you make. And that might not sound like a lot, but if they got 100 people that watch that video and sign up underneath them, and let's say they all go and make like $500 or something like that, shit adds up real quick in straight passive income, right? Then let's say they got some little tool or some type of affiliate, a little product or whatnot. Then boom, they get paid off of that, so they get another percentage, of that or whatnot. So that's more money. Then let's say they're selling some little course or something like that, and they get paid more money. Then let's say they got ads on the video, and that's more money, right? And the list goes on of all the different ways that people can make money. So you see, like, it's not really designed for you to make a crap ton of money, because the end goal is for you to end up buying their course, or for you to buy software that they're pushing, or affiliate software or whatever it is, that they're pushing. Like the goal is not for you to actually make money. It's for them to get as much money from you as possible. And don't get me wrong, like that's a sound strategy or whatnot. I ain't got nothing against it or whatever, because obviously everybody's out here, doing their own thing to make money or whatnot. But this is pretty much why most CPA marketing on YouTube sucks. And then the people who do make good money, they normally don't say anything about what they're doing, because it doesn't benefit them at all. At all. Like if I go and give out a Facebook campaign right now and I put it on YouTube, no one is going to make money with this campaign. Not a single person. Because now everybody's running it. Same ads, same campaign, copy, like same everything. You are not going to make any money. That's why done for you campaigns on YouTube don't work. Like somebody can give you the straight ad copy. They could, tell you where they're posting. They can tell you the city, the device, every single detail about a done for you campaign, and it will not work because everybody is doing it. That's why done for you campaign should always be charged for. Now, obviously, if you watch the video, whatever, and then you change it up, of course, you can make money or whatever, And there is a chance that you could make money from the straight ad copy or whatever if you're early. But again, once everybody gets a hold of it, then everybody's running the same ad copy, and you're not going to make any money, And again, those videos get a lot of views, because it's a done for you campaign, everything is done for you, all this stuff, because people are lazy. But you're not going to make any money. But the videos will get a lot of likes, get a lot of comments, all that stuff or whatever, because these are normally people who are just getting started into marketing. But people who have been around the block for a while, they know no one who watched that video is more than likely not going to make any money. Because again, if everybody's running the exact same thing, odds are not going to get any money, right? That's like if you take Craigslist, for example, right? Let's say I give you a whole Craigslist ad copy. I tell you the city that's on there. I put the link breaker stuff on there, so I tell you which offers to run. So if they're on iPhone, they go to this offer. If they're on computer, they go to this offer. If they go on Android, they go to this offer, and then I do all that, set up a full-blown done for you campaign. Not a single person will make any money. Well, the first few people will probably make money. Everybody else, nope. If they run that exact same ad copy, odds are they're all just going to start getting ghosted or get flagged and all that stuff because most people are literally going to copy it word for word. I'll make money because let's say I'm promoting easy pages. Boom, I'm going to get money off of that. Then let's say I'm promoting a link breaker. Then I'm going to get money from that. Then of course you watch the YouTube video, I'm going to get money for that. Then let's say you buy the course, I'm going to get money for that. You see, I'm going to make money. But most of the people watching the video, they're not going to make a damn dime. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thought I would make a video on why most CPA marketing on YouTube just pretty much sucks. And why done for you campaigns don't work on YouTube either.